It's my privilege to introduce a truly inspiring leader who has been the heart and soul of Christ School Rajkot for the past decade. Our esteemed principal, Sister Christina. With unwavering dedication, she has embodied our motto, igniting lives, fostering excellence, creativity, and compassion in our students. Under her leadership, our school has grown into a vibrant community, empowering young minds to dream big and achieve greatness. Please join me in warmly welcoming our beloved principal, Sister Christina, for the welcome note.
The broad sun has gracefully sunk into tranquility, and the glittering stars now adorn the dark blue evening sky, heralding the arrival of a great evening, a celebration that unites us all under the banner of joy, achievement, and hope. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you to the Euphoria 2024 Decade of Memories of Christ School Rajkot. On this glittering day, it is my great and grand pleasure and privilege to stand over here to express a word of welcome with the visage of never-ending happiness on this beautiful and highly memorable day of Christ School, of its decennial occasion. On this joyous juncture of annual day, themed Decade of Memories, it is my heartfelt privilege to welcome our honored president of the function, the visionary founder of this esteemed institution, Right Reverend Bishop George Chittu Parambil. Your Excellency, your presence, your grace is not just an honor, but an inspiration. Your unwavering dedication and foresight have laid the foundation for this school, nurturing young minds and shaping responsible citizens for generations. We stand tall today as a testament to your remarkable vision and tireless efforts. Your Excellency, your presence today fills us with immense gratitude and serves as a constant reminder of the values that form the core of our institution. We are forever indebted to your guidance and leadership. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a warm welcome to you, dear Bishop. We are honored by your presence and eager to share the talents and achievements of our young Christites, the stars of Christ School, with you. We are honored to have our chief guest, Dr. Darshita Ben Shah, the esteemed MLA Rajkot West, Government of Gujarat. Respected ma'am, your exemplary leadership and commitment to public service inspire countless young minds to dream big and work for the betterment of society. We, the Christ family, welcome you to the Euphoria 2024. We are glad to have with us a distinguished guest Sri Kirit Singh Parmar, District Education Officer, Rajkot, as our guest of honor. Sir, your presence here brings immense joy and adds grace to our celebration. I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, dear sir. It is our privilege to welcome the guest of honor, Sri M.R. Gondalia, SCP Crime Branch, Rajkot, whose dedication to maintaining peace and order deserves our heartfelt appreciation. Dear sir, we warmly welcome you to this splendid and spectacular evening. I would also like to welcome our director, Reverend Father Dr. Benny, a true visionary and an exceptional leader whose unwavering commitment to academic excellence and holistic education has been a guiding force in every step of our journey. His passion for nurturing young minds and transforming lives has left an indelible mark of our school community. Under his inspiring leadership, we have not only grown academically, but also embraced a culture of creativity, compassion, and service. Welcome you, dear Father. We are also blessed to have with us Reverend Fathers, sisters from nearby communities whose presence adds grace and joy to this special occasion. On behalf of everyone here, I extend a warm welcome and heartfelt welcome to you all. To our valued parents, your unwavering support and encouragement are the wind beneath our students' wings. You instill values, foster curiosity, and stand by them in every step of their journey. Your partnership in this educational endeavor is invaluable. I cordially welcome you all to this fascinating event, Euphoria 2024, Decade of Memories. To our esteemed deans and teachers, your tireless efforts have been the cornerstone of our students' progress. The seeds of knowledge you sow, the guidance you offer, and the nurturing environment you create shape them into responsible, well-rounded individuals. Thank you for being the pillars of our learning community. As we dwell into the program, let us be captivated by the creativity, talents, and accomplishments of our school family. Be prepared to laugh, be amazed, and be inspired by the young minds that grace the stage. Let this annual day be a celebration of learning, growth, and most importantly, values. As we journey through the decade of memories, remember that some things like respect, responsibility, and integrity will always remain timeless. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you consistent upward graph of our school's achievements, and I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also makes us think deeply about our shortcomings. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. Christ School began its journey in 2015 with the motto of igniting lives and transforming education into a creative, and enriching experience. Over the years, we have witnessed steady growth in strength, achievements, and milestones. 2 batches of Class 10 students have successfully passed out from our institution with an outstanding 100% result. This is a testament to the dedication of our teachers, the hard work of our students, and the support of our parents. This year, we embark on a new chapter as our first batch of Class 12 students prepares to appear for the board exams in March 2025. We are proud to offer all 3 streams, science, commerce, and humanities, equipping our students to pursue their aspirations and dreams. The academic year began a solemn note with a prayer service led by our students and teachers, invoking God's blessings for a fruitful year ahead. Our beloved director, Reverend Father Dr. Benny, graced the occasion, offering his blessings to the students and staff. The principal extended a warm welcome and conveyed her best wishes, inspiring everyone to strive for excellence. At Christ School, we believe in fostering leadership qualities and a sense of responsibility among our students. This year, the school cabinet was formed through a democratic process where students exercised their right to vote and elected their leaders. The newly elected cabinet members were honored in a grand investiture ceremony, a proud moment for the school. They received their badges and sashes, symbolizing the trust and responsibility bestowed upon them. During the ceremony, the cabinet members pledged to uphold the values and vision of Christ School and to serve as role models for their peers. The cabinet plays an integral role in maintaining discipline, organizing events, and fostering a vibrant school environment. To foster teamwork, leadership, and a spirit of healthy competition, our students are divided into 4 houses: blue, green, red, and yellow. Each house is led by a dedicated team comprising a house captain and a vice captain who lead, inspire, and guide their peers throughout the year. A variety of competitions and programs were conducted, ranging from academics and sports to culture and creative events, encouraging active participation and showcasing diverse talents. The year-long enthusiasm culminated in the awarding of the champion trophy to the winning house, celebrating their collective effort, teamwork, and excellence. Our school takes special care in imparting value-based education with a focus on molding the character of children. The staff and management pay keen attention to this by taking value education classes, which are included in our curriculum for all the classes also. During routine school assembly, students are imbibed the values through messages given by our students of all the classes. Our students have continuously demonstrated exceptional talent and dedication in various fields. This year, a group of our bright and enthusiastic students had the privilege of visiting Bombay IIT Vigyandram, where they had the opportunity to showcase their skills and talents in a competitive setting. Field trips and excursions are an integral part of our educational journey, offering students a chance to learn beyond the classroom walls. This year, Christ School created unforgettable memories and learning experiences for its students by organizing numerous trips to enrich their academic and personal growth. One of the highlights of the year was the exceptional opportunity for our students to visit NASA in the United States. This excursion provided our young minds with an up-close look at the fascinating world of space exploration and innovation. They returned inspired with a broadened perspective on science, technology, and the limitless potential of human innovation. Apart from NASA, students also explored local and regional sites of cultural, historical, and scientific importance. These trips were thoughtfully curated to align with their academic curriculum and foster a sense of curiosity and discovery. Visits to museums, science parks, historical landmarks, and environmental preserves gave them first-hand experiences that deepened their understanding and appreciation of the world. This year, we organized an exciting school-wide exhibition titled BrainX, providing a platform for students to showcase their creativity, innovation, and academic brilliance. Students from all grades participated enthusiastically, presenting projects, models, and demonstrations across various subjects. The event highlighted their critical thinking and problem-solving skills while fostering a love for learning. BrainX was a remarkable celebration of our students' talent and ingenuity, leaving everyone inspired. This year, we hosted an engaging MUN, Model United Nations event for our students, offering them a platform to develop critical thinking, public speaking, and diplomacy skills. Participants assumed the roles of delegates representing various countries, debating global issues, and working collaboratively to propose solutions. The event fostered a deeper understanding of international relations and enhanced their confidence and leadership abilities. Our little ones from Christ Kindergarten stole the show with their delightful performances at the annual function Tiny Trove. Their enthusiasm, innocence, and talent captivated the audience, earning heartfelt applause from parents and guests. At Christ School, fostering a culture of compassion and social responsibility is a core value. Our students actively embody this spirit by reaching out to the poor and needy in nearby villages. This year, they organized collections of funds and essential materials which they personally distributed during visits to these communities. Through these acts of kindness, our students not only brought smiles to many faces, but also learned the joy of giving and the importance of making a difference in the lives of others. Our school celebrated a variety of events throughout the year, combining creativity, culture, and joy to enrich the student experience. Creative assemblies provided a platform for showcasing student talents, while special observances like Yoga Day promoted health and Environment Day instilled a love for nature. We celebrated World Music Day with harmonious melodies and marked Independence Day and Republic Day with patriotic pride. Festivals like Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, etc., brought the school community together in a spirit of joy and cultural unity. The Teachers' Day and Children's Day celebrations strengthened the bond between educators and students, making these occasions truly memorable. Each event reflected our school's vibrant spirit and commitment to holistic development and community bonding. At Christ School, we believe that continuous learning is vital for growth, not just for students, but also for teachers. This year, our educators actively participated in various training programs organized by CBSE and experts from different fields. Many milestones still have to be reached. We at Christ School continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standards of this portal of education. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. On this memorable occasion, as we recount our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed staff of Christ School Rajkot. We humbly salute our visionary leaders of the past and the great ones of the present, and seek divine grace and blessings to guide us in all our endeavors. I would like to conclude by quoting our school motto, Igniting Lives. Thank you, and once again, I welcome you all to this wonderful evening, Euphoria 2024, Decade of Memories. Let the celebrations begin. Thank you. I submit the annual report for the endorsement of His Excellency Bishop George Chittuparambil.
We are glad to have with us a distinguished guest, Shri Kirit C. Parmar, District Education Officer, Rajkot. We extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, dear sir.